Hello everyone. So good morning. Today we are here to discuss about the expert module. So the module is Master's Course Expert Tool Analysis. So first of all, we will see exactly what the Master's Course Expert Tool is. So I'm just sharing the screen. So we will see Master's Course Expert Tool. So a Master's Course is a module. So modules are some extra add-on features in the software. Master Source Export Tool is an additional feature. So here we can see Master Course Expert Tool is an expert tool to fine-tune your prescribing results using RadarOpus software. It is particularly used in cases which needs deeper study because it gives meaningful insights at a single glance. Then here are some key points of Master's Course Expert Tool. Each remedy is evaluated according to the author references, which may be more or less reliable. The more the remedy is being referred, the more the point it earns. That means the more author it has reference. Means it is being referred by more of the authors. That is the thing, it is getting more points. Then the method takes into account the intensity of the symptoms. Higher the intensity, higher the reference, and higher will be the chance to prescribe that remedy. The calculation will show the remedies shorted according to the value achieved by a remedy. At least we need 5 symptoms to work on it. So these are some rules or key points you are getting here for the master's course. And this is very important one, the last one, that is we need at least 5 symptoms to work on. Means if we want to apply that analysis, that module in our analysis, then we need at least 5 symptoms to work on it. Then how to use it? The most important part came here. So the master score, when routinely used, it will help in understanding reporterization more deeply, which, as Dr. Farooq Master says, has the potential to bring a new level of homeopathy practice and elevate the status of homeopathy around the world. So we will be using master's course here. Then the beautiful part of the master's score is that it filter out the remedies which haven't gone under appropriate pathogenesis. In words, clone remedies, we can say that means the remedies which has never experienced any adequate investigation or which has never gone under any of the investigation. So in a way, it is suitable filter to have, so we can be more specific when prescribe the remedy, and we can prescribe the more close coming remedy or the more specific remedy. With master score, we can clarify the remedy selection and drill down into the correct remedy by asking questions of materia medica. So we can cross question and we can ask the question of materia medica to the patient directly by applying the model. So when you're looking what questions to ask or what remedy you want to select, you can quickly look at the materia medica, which of course is the final stage of making any prescription, as you know that. Because if we want to confirm like we are giving this particular remedy to our patient, so we used to confirm it from the materia medica or the keynotes, whatsoever we use. And here are some main features. So in main features, the advanced expert system based on groundbreaking research in homeopathic prescribing means whatsoever we have the system that means master score expert we are talking about. So it is based on the homeopathic prescribing research. Then we can ask obviously the materia medica questions as I have recently discussed to the patient to confirm the remedy. Then it uses synthesis repertory. So if you're using master score, this works from the synthesis repertoire, which is recently updated. It is simple, intuitive, graphical interface. Then export master score analysis to a file. We can export that analysis in which we have applied that module to a file. We can print it or save the analysis. So these were some main features of the module. Now let me show you by taking some symptoms and applying the master score expert tool in the analysis. So quickly we are referring to the software. So here it is the interface of the software. So from the interface, we will be taking some symptoms from here. We are taking some random symptoms to reporterize a case, and then through that case, we will see how we can apply that module in the normal analysis, and then how we will be getting the analysis and the close coming remedies or the specific remedies according to that module. So first of all, I have opened here the repertoire. You can see here the synthesis Adonis repertoire is open, which is the most updated one. After opening the repertoire, you can go to this bilocular icon. So if here I am taking that patient is having fear of dogs. So it is a mental symptom for which I will go to the mind chapter. I have clicked on the mind chapter, and these are the rubrics open here for the mind, in which first of all now I have to search for the fear. So either scroll it down or type fear from these alphabets. I'm tapping first two letters. Here is the fear given. 1012 is the number of remedies, and the plus sign is for the subgroup. So I want here that patient is having fear of dogs. So click on the plus to open the subrubrics. And hence these are the subrubrics of the fear. So again, I'm opening the next word, that is the next subrubric, that is dog talk. So clicking on it to open it in the repertoire. Fear, mind, fear, dogs off. It has 62 remedies in it. So now drag the rubric using mouse and drop it in the clipboard. First symptom we have taken. Let us take some more symptoms. Again, I'm taking here. Suppose that patient is having burning pain in abdomen. So going to the abdomen chapter over here. In abdomen now, search for the pain. So I'm typing first two letters of pain. Here is the pain given. Now what subrubric? The subrubric is that patient is having burning type of pain. So clicking on the pain, and these are the subrubrics of burning. Sorry, subrubrics of pain, in which I am typing here burning. So here the burning is given, and then we can open it in the repertoire. So the rubric over here is abdomen pain burning with 191 remedies in it. So again, we'll adding the rubric in the clipboard. With the help of this, take the current rubric icon. Two symptoms we have taken. Similarly, you can take the symptoms again from here. I'm taking that burning pain is in eyes. So in eye, going to the pain, then burning. Now we have three symptoms. So we want two more symptoms to work master score in the analysis. As it was a rule, as I told in the starting, that at least we need 5 symptoms to work on this master score. So taken 3 symptoms from here. Suppose if I'm taking one more symptom. So I'm taking use of simple search and typing here coryza, entering it, and now I'll be getting all the rubrics of coryza. So from here, I'm just taking rubrics. First symptom I have taken this one, nose coryza, daytime. It has 10 remedies in it. You can take more symptoms. Again, add it in the clipboard. Drag and drop is the only option when you are using search bar. So if you want, we have taken 5 symptoms in this clipboard. Now click on the clipboard, and we will be getting here the analysis, in which you can see these are the symptoms given, and these are the close coming remedies, in which we can see carbo veg is the first remedy, causticum is the second one, Marxol is the third one. So these are the close coming remedies coming over here according to these symptoms. So this is the normal analysis. Now, if I want to apply that master score tool in the normal analysis, to see the repertorization according to Dr. Farooq Master or according to that module, then for that you need to go to this icon, this change the strategy and change the analysis strategy icon. Either you can go to this icon or you can go to the analysis icon also. Here also you will get to see this option of master score. So as you will click on the drop arrow of the analysis icon, here you will be getting this option of master scores analysis. So just click on this number. Before that, let me tell you, this is the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, this one. This is the number of symptoms that remedy is covering, and this 10 is the number of marks overall this remedy is covering according to these 5 symptoms. Now I'm applying that module from here, master scores analysis. You will get to see this pop-up window. Adding intensity to the most prominent symptoms will increase the impact of master score. So in this pop-up window, just click on OK, and hence you will get to see here the remedies are being arranged according to the master score. You can see here this number is the references, means this is how much time the causticum remedy is being referred. Now here you can see the clear differentiation. Earlier Carboveg was coming as the first grade remedy and the causticum was the second grade. And Mercsol was the third remedy. So Mercsol has now came on the 5th number. As we have applied the master score expert tool, we got the more specific remedy or the more close coming remedy according to the references. So here again, this number, this is the serial number you are getting, and this number 640, 564, this is the number of references. Means this much, how much time the causticum is referred, this much time, 640 times it is being referred, or from 640 authors it has been referred. So this is how you will get to see the number of references or the intensity of the remedy will get changed as you will apply the module. So this is how you will get to see the clear differentiation, and now you can see our analysis has been filtered out according to the Dr. Farooq Master, and we have got the more specific remedy according to the master scores expert tool. So this is how you can apply that master score expert tool to specify the remedies. And now from here, if you want to read any of the remedy, click double on it, and hence you will get to open it on the screen. So quickly now you can read the remedy just by clicking on the name of it. This is how we can just connect references to the analysis. So it was about the master scores expert tool. So thank you everyone for listening to this session.